I got here 10 minutes before they open. Second one in the building. Gotta be super, super quick. 30% off the back wall. Jordan 1s, the UNC's being priced at $140. Get that extra 30 off. Going through the women's now. See if they got anything really dope, especially in the refurbished, to be honest. Look at this Air Forces right here, $58. Another 30% off, that's like $40. Of course, checking the huge sizes in the women's as well. Got KD 17s right here, $75. Then you get 30 off on top. Wow. Back in the men's section, I saw some a Jordan 3 box. I was like, what? Nah. Jordan 1 low, Chinese New Year, 140, 30 off. So it's under $100. Size 7.5, size 9 women's. There, go for 140. Do get that 30% off. So it should be about $100, right? Seeing these. Oh, another one. It's a size 10 in the smaller size area. All right, that dude didn't need the size 12 for 140 right here. Oh man, they do got a refurb. 11.5, unfortunately. They had most other size. I definitely would grab this one, or they had a size 10. 10.5, 11, I'd definitely grab it. $90, 30 off on top. Was that like $57? Checking the aisles real quick to see if anything is extended size priced as well. These not extended size price yet. Vaporfly Next Percent 4s. And then also got 3s right here. Wow. Back in the 10s, I was like, what? They got mochas? No, not mochas. These are the mules. It's a golf too? I didn't know that. But yeah, I do got some Jordan mules, 110. The calm slides going for retail, I guess. 30 off. 70 for the Jaw 1s. Jordan 4 RMs. 100, so what is that, $70? Do got a 10.5 of these. I still have this in my car, I believe. Should I get the one with no box top? Maybe. Air Max 90 right here. Like an ice colorway 130. What do they call it? Glacier Blue, I think. Look at this. Air Force 160. $3. Another 30% off on top. So is that like $45 after the savings? That is crazy cheap. Size 10. Immortality 4s go for $35 after the savings. LeBron 22s, 140. Hustle Academies, the GT Hustle Academies, $57. Lucas right here. I'm in the size 10 area, I think. $65 for these. Oh, this one's marked down to $85. What? I think that other one wasn't marked properly. Looks like these made it off the back wall. There's a 9.5 here as well. 30% off. Clearance apparel. What's up with this tech fleece right here? We've seen tech fleece prices very, very widely. I don't see a price tag on this one though, dang it. Yeah, no price tag on that one. $60 for this fleece jacket right here. $50 for that one. $35 for some really soft fleece. It is kind of thin though. Is this a windbreaker? It's a women's windbreaker, $130. Oh, some tech fleece. There's some more tech fleece right here. This one is an X. Oh, it's a large. It's a large. $135. Damn. Nike SB Polo. $75. God dang, dude. Holy crap. Is this a Lakers set? $95 for the top, $70 for the bottom. I haven't seen that where they clip it together. And of course, they got plenty of t-shirts. This is $21 for Nike running. All right, let's continue with the back wall. Checking out the smaller sizes right here. $75 for Jordan 2s, 30% off. I feel like these will be cheaper at Ross, but sometimes you have to go to 50 different Ross. But I guess that happens at the outlets as well. Golf shoes, if you are into that, $85. Air Force One in a wheat, going for $140. Camo right here, $130. I just saw a worker bring out some more refurbs. She's tearing off the box tops over there. So we're just gonna check out some of the bigger sizes right now. Got Zoom Freaks right here, $70. Extended size price though. Size 10, we've been seeing these. Where have we been seeing these? At Ross? Is that what they're? No, they were at one of the outlets for way cheap. 95. Got next gen amps right here, $85. And Immortality Force, $53. Extended size priced. Alright, the stuff that they did bring out, it was all women's. It's all women's. The women's refurb section looks a lot more replenished than the men's section, but still not seeing nothing crazy yet. Is this one of the ones you brought out? Look, $60 for Forces. That's what, $42. That's crazy. All right, back to smaller sizes. They got some extended sizing in the smaller size. Look at this, $90 for Air Max 1s. Pegasus 41s right here. Also extended size priced down to $60. This the Asia ones right here. WNBA basketball player. Oh, they look alright. They look alright. Nothing too special. $110 for those. Alright, I think we're seeing a lot of the same. Nothing too crazy today. Back to clearance apparel where you're 30% off. It's like a maroon color right here. $37 for those dry fit sweats. Is this Nike Golf? Is this SB? What is this? I don't know. But $57 for the super baggy cargo pants. $63, so that's like $45, which is a hell of a price. That is a large. So it does look like there are some tech fleece bargains out there. They're just few and far between because everybody's been picking them up. $40 for the fleece shorts. $35, like these are hella soft, but black fades so quick. Whenever it's fleece, that's why I try not to get black fleece anymore. $60 for these. But yeah, that's the only tech fleece that I found. Just that one navy blue pair. That's the only tech fleece here. Oh, wait. All right, it's another two-tone. Oh, wait. Well, not a two-tone. Just a hint of that. Is that mint or is that glow green? I don't know. But $115, though, way too much. All right, let's finish off the back wall. All right, going back to the bigger sizes. Apparently, I missed a few things, including this box being jacked up. $140 for these bad boys. That comes out to $98. So they do have one of these reimagined breads right there, and they still have the size 12 right here. This comes out to $98. Not bad. Oh, they still have a size 10 up here as well. I believe I already have one of those at home, right? Yeah, I have one, and then I also returned my retail pair, $90. This is such a good price. I'm showing it again. It's still here. Trying to look for as many of these tags right there. The extended size pricing tag. Jordan 4 RMs, $110. Yeah, this is definitely not a full force, but you get a Nike Dunk. That's not a size 10. Oh, maybe it is a size 10. But yeah, you get it for $48. $48, and you get another 30% off. That's what, $35. Definition of fast fashion right there. We're there for like a month or two. $35. All right, moving on to the aisles. Got some generic Jordans. Technically, not really, but kind of sort of. Got the why nots right there. Got the Luka 3s, and then a bunch of the non-signature Jordans over here. Got some mid SEs. Another one right here. Got a few lows. Glacier blue SEs right here. I love that tumbled leather on that one. Legend blue SEs right here. Then of course got plenty of budget signatures. Giannis Immortality 4s, 3s. Got some Ja 1s. Next gen 22s. This I think was the first colorway of the 22, going down and down and down. GT Hustle Academies. Got some slides, the Benassi budget slides. These are the ones that are hardest to rock. Nike Calm slides. Mock Flow undercovers. And we're finally seeing extended size pricing. $55 for most of these. 11 and above. Look at this. $38. You get another 30% off. So that's going to be, what, $25? $25 for 11. And we got a 13 and 14. Got some Lunar Roams. Couple of those. Got Vomero 5s right here. P6000s. Flight Legacy all white, black and hyper blue. And we see extended size pricing starting at 10.5 down to $40. I see size 11, 11.5, 12s. 40 freaking dollars. You get another 30% off on top. Holy cow, that is just crazy, crazy cheap. That's what, 28 bucks, $28. And even the super small size is also extended size priced 8 and below. And we see 7.5, 7s. No extended size pricing on these quite yet. No, y'all tired of these? I have a feeling y'all tired of these too. These always seem to go on sale. They still got these B grades, and I did see them at the retail shop, and the color seemed a lot better on these. Yeah, they are definitely B grades. Air Max DNs. They do got some more random stuff on sale. Look at this, 30% off. This backpack right here. Not the most high-end backpack, but for 25 and then you get 30 off. Can't really complain. Got a little mini backpack right here, 20 bucks. ACG socks right here, $22, 30% off. Nike everyday socks. Is that normally 13? It went down to 15. I don't think that's right, but get 30 off on top. These drawstring bags, been seeing these at Ross and stuff, 15 bucks, 30 off. Got basketball accessories right here, $10, 30 off. Got compression sleeves, $28, 30 off. And then wristbands and stuff. I haven't seen someone use a wristband in forever. Oh wait, never mind. It says backpacks only. They got me. They got me. $45, 30% off. Got basketball shorts right here, 30% off. $25, 30 off. Solid price. Not a huge fan of their basketball shorts. It's so thin. And look at the women's section right here. The women's clearance section all full now. And it's full everywhere. Look at this. Wow. I was on the phone with one of the homies for a minute, and that's when they brought all these out. Gamma Forces, size 11.5 women's, $48, 30 off on top. Romero 17, size 10.5, extended size price, 85, 30 off. Jordan 1 Brooklyn's. Oh, holy cow, these are some boots right here, 100 bucks. Dunks Next Natures, size 10, $70. Actually 69, they got multiple sizes, you get 30 off on top. Pegasus Plus, $90 for these gently worn 8.5s. Karachi's Nike by You, $68 gently worn. Got some regular dunks down here, what they talk about, $85. V2K Runs, right here, extended size price, 60 bucks. So that's what, 42 after the discount. Infinity Run 4s, I swear to God, I always accidentally say Infinity Run 4s when I mean the Invincible runs too. But yeah, these are the Infinity Run 4s, the correct ones. They are white. What they go for, $80, size 8. This is the Air Force One I showed earlier, 60 bucks, so freaking cheap. Vapor Max 105. All right, let's check out the women's aisles, where we see some soft pearl apricot dunks. P6000s. Air Fires going down, down, down. I guess this is the higher price before. Got a blue, silver, white one. These Vomero 5s look a little better. Budget version of the Vomero 5s, in my opinion. V2Ks. And of course, 270s for retail. Air Max DNs, 95 for these. Waffle Debuts in 2 different colorways. Tail Shot 2s, a couple of those. Blazers right here. Low platforms. And a few more dunks. Rose Whisper right here. And then the women's version of these as well. Grade school section right here. Not seeing any refurs or barely any. We've got a few here and there. Comfort 11s, 50 bucks, gently worn. These Gamma Forces right here, $48. This is a women's. 270s right here, 130. Got blazers. Nothing too crazy here in the kids. I think we're gonna go next door. The next door right here. I got other spots to go to, but we still gotta check out the sneakers right here, cause you never know. Do got Pegasus right here, go for 55. This ASU, ASU colorway of these. I don't know what the hell these are. Got light strike. Got the four motion. What the hell? I see Boost right there. $40 for these. Get you some LA gear. Probably not. Do got these right here. $50. Immortalities. These are the Savelios. I did find the Romelios yesterday, which was freaking crazy. And these are going for the same price, $70. Damn. Air Max 90s. Do got some Air Max ones right here, $70 for these Valentine's Day ones right here, size 10. We got Metcons right here, size 11, $55. This is the bigger section over here. And even these fools making fake Yeezys right here. Quicksilver making fake Yeezys, $12.99. These are cheap, $59.99 for the Witness. Is that the Pure Boost 5s right here? These have been $49.99. What the hell? That's kind of high. Got some older Zoom Freaks right here in a crazy huge size. Is that the 6? That might be the 6. Never mind. Yeah, that is a crazy huge size. $70. Ain't nobody paying $70 for that. Ultra Boost right here, crazy huge size, $50. Grade school section, not much to show you guys. Then we move over to the women's section where I do hear a symphony of security tags. And we've been seeing plenty of these Hoka slides for $25. They look pretty comfortable. 270s right here. I bet you these are going to be cheaper than the Nike outlet. Yep, $73. These are size, what, 10? 10 and a half for women's. Get you some taco shoes right here. These are fun. Size 9 and 10. That's a ladies 9 and 10, $13. That's kind of fun. Need some 8.5 Invincible runs. Not finding them here today. Dang it. Dang nabbit.